Hello students, today I'll explain you the poetic devices that the poet Pablo Neruda has used in the poem Keeping Quiet. The first poetic device is metaphor, which is meant for direct comparison. The poet has used this device in the line where he writes, "Put on clean clothes." Here, the poet means to say that now we should stop preparing for wars and we should move a step ahead for maintaining brotherhood among each other. The second poetic device used in the poem is repetition, in which the poet has used some words like let's and count. He has repeated them. He says, "Let's not speak." At some other place, he says, "Let's stop for 1 second." Then he says, "Count to 12 and count up to 12." He repeats these words. By repeating them, he means to emphasize such words because he wants to put stress on doing these things which he wants us to do. The fourth poetic device is symbolism. The poet has used it in the word 12. Here, 12 symbolizes a measure of time representing our clock time in real life, capturing a moment from our present time. So, in this way, he has used the fourth poetic device, symbolism, in the word 12. The next poetic device is alliteration, which means repetition of a consonant sound in closely placed words in a poem. So, this poetic device the poet has used in the words clean clothes, where C has been repeated, hurt hands, the repetition of H, we would all, repetition of W, sudden strangeness, repetition of the consonant S, was with gas, was with fire, repetition of W, and what I want, once again, the repetition of consonant W. So, very beautifully, the poet has made use of this poetic device, alliteration. The last poetic device used in the poem is imagery. The poet himself imagines a calm, quiet, and peaceful world despite the violence, war, death, and destruction in the world. He himself imagines it and wants it to happen, and through his imagination, he gives his readers an imagination that these things should be brought into the world. He wants his readers to imagine that by self introspecting ourselves, we can come out of our self centered attitude and once again establish peace and brotherhood among the people of the world.